cleanse your liver in 2 days with only 1 ingredient. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. Today's video, I will tell you how you can easily prepare your own liver cleanse at home. So I recommend to watch this video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Did you know that raisin water can be great for you? It's a good thing to add to your diet, especially to better your liver health. It helps creating biochemical processes in the liver, which help to force the poisons out of your bloodstream. I have done a video on raisin water before as well for health benefits. It elaborates in details how to choose the raisins and how to store them. Make sure to choose the raisins which are neither hard or soft. Please check it out. I will just mention briefly in this video. Let's make the raisins water now. Ingredients: 150 grams of raisins, 1 cup of water. Add the raisins in water and leave them boil for 20 minutes. Now cover the pot and leave them to soak overnight in it. In the next morning, reheat it. You can drink it warm or cold, but make sure you drink it on an empty stomach. Then wait from 30 to 35 minutes before eating your breakfast. After 2 days, you will notice the first effects of this homemade drink. It's recommended for you. Drink it at least 4 days. And if you follow a diet which contains a lot of fruit and have more energy vegetables, your liver health will be much better. After 4 days of straight use, you will see that your digestion will rise and you will have more energy. This is a great drink to reap the benefits of raisins. So, cleanse as often as you feel that you need to boost your energy levels. You want your skin glow again? You would like to boost your mood? You would like to up your sleep quality? You would like to regulate your weight? And you would like to finally take control of your weight? In other words, it's good to reset every once in a while. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.